Hey folks, sure is mild out there across the valley tonight. Temperatures are still in the 70s. These are not the normal temperatures you would expect this time of year. In fact, our high temperature, the normal high is 70. And we're all above that even now at 10 o'clock at night. If we watch Future Track, readings are going nowhere overnight. 7 o'clock in the morning, we're still in the low to mid 70s in most places. By tomorrow at noon, pushing 80, and I think a lot of places will probably already be in the 80s by lunchtime. We'll top out mid to upper 80s mid-afternoon, and by 6 o'clock back in the 70s again. The beach run's just a little bit cooler, about 69 degrees there by tomorrow evening. Let's look at Thursday. Things don't change much. We start the day at 70. We go up, up, up. We top out in the mid-80s, middle of the afternoon, and then Friday we do it all over again. We start close to 70, maybe 68 or 69, but still warm and humid. By afternoon, readings climb back in the 80s. We'll look at that 7-day temperature trend in a moment because it does show a cool-off, just cool down a few days down the line. Cloud cover wise, we've been in and out of the clouds today, just like the island's been in and out of the fog the last couple of days. We've seen clouds kind of coming and going, a bunch of high clouds moving across now. Overnight it'll thicken up, but by the time you get to noon tomorrow, we're back to a mix of clouds and sunshine. Relatively breezy, that wind out of the southeast, 15 to 20 most of the day tomorrow. Let's go into Thursday now. You notice some green splotches showing up on the map on Thursday. I think an isolated shower or two a possibility, but you're only looking at about a 20% probability of a shower. For the most part, I think it's a dry day on Thursday. Just a brief interruption in a couple of places, and I think Friday probably will be a dry day, back to partly sunny skies once again. So let's go to the bigger picture and figure out what is going on. That old front is up here. That's a warm front that's moving away from us. There you see it on the European model. It'll continue to move away and drag Gulf moisture up into the south central part of the nation, parts of Dallas and over into Arkansas, northern Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. They'll all start to get some clouds and rain. We'll just be in and out of the cloud cover. Well, by Thursday, there's another front on the map. It's in Texas, but that's as close as it gets. It stalls, turns around, goes back to the north as a warm front. So we don't get that one, so we stay warm Friday. Saturday, finally, this front starts to move southward. A few showers could break out along ahead of that front. Behind it, some showers could be with us. And with that, temperatures will be a whole lot cooler starting Sunday, lasting into Monday and Tuesday as well. Cooler temperatures courtesy of that front. So your rain chances, a slight chance on Thursday, should be dry Friday, and then with that front and behind it, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, there's a decent shot at some rain. High temperature wise, we drop off when the front comes through after being 83 Saturday, only in the 60s for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the coast shows southeast winds 10 to 15 knots with a moderate chop, moderate UV, that dense fog advisory in effect until 6 a.m. Tonight, partly cloudy, patchy fog late near the coast. Then tomorrow back up to 87, clouds in the morning, then breezy and warm. In the 80s through Saturday, front comes through, it gets cooler, chance of rain for Sunday into early next week. That is your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.